it is the roof of the buccal cavity. Another part inside the buccal cavity after this these jaws is palate, and palate is the roof of the buccal cavity. Roof, you know, dear students, roof is always lies on the top. As if we construct a house, the upper part of the house, upper side of the house, we call it as roof, upper part of the house. In the same way, inside the mouth, the upper part we call as palate. Internally upper part of the buccal cavity, we call it as palate. The palate has two parts, the interior hard palate and the posterior soft palate. Palate has two parts, the interior hard palate and the posterior soft palate. The front side and the back side, this we call as the interior and the posterior side. One is hard and one is soft, front portion and back portion. And then there is another part inside the buccal cavity, another organelle rather, small part, that we call as tongue. Tongue is completely a muscular part. You know, dear students, tongue, जबान, उर्दू में इसे जबान कहते हैं प्यारे बच्चों, उर्दू में इसे जबान कहते हैं, टंग. It is a flat, thick, voluntary muscle. Tongue is a flat, thick, voluntary muscle. Tongue is a flat, thick, mind it, tongue is a flat, thick, voluntary muscle attached to the hyoid bone. It is attached to the hyoid bone. It is broader at the base and narrow at the tip. The tongue is broader at the base, back side of the tongue, where it's attached. That is, there it is broader, and on the front side, towards the lips, it is narrow. This you know, and this you may understand easily. And then, what is the function of the tongue? The tongue consists of the taste buds, which produce the sensation of taste. What role does this tongue play in the process of digestion? That is, it has got the taste buds. Dear students, you know that different people in this world like the foods of different tastes. Some may like sweet food, some may like salty, some may like any other type of food. So, how should we come to know, how should we may be aware that what type of food this is? Should I take it or not? We check it, and this makes the taste, and this taste is produced by the tongue. It is the organ inside the buccal cavity which provides the sensation of taste. So we say that the tongue consists of the, how does it produce these tastes? It has got the taste buds. The sweet taste buds are present on the interior tip. The sweet taste buds are present, sweet taste buds. These are present on the interior tip. Interior tip. If trunk is like this, and here is on the tip, interior taste buds. And then the salt taste buds are found on the interior laterally. Salt taste buds are found on the interior. This is the interior lateral part. Interior lateral part. Here are the salt taste buds. And then there is sour on the lateral side. Sour taste buds are on this side, lateral side. This we call as lateral side. And then bitter on the posterior side. bitter taste is always on the posterior side. Posterior side, this makes the sour taste. Now, last but not the least, last function of this, last we may say functions of tongue. Last, this is that what role does tongue play in this digestive system inside the buccal cavity. Now, what are its main functions? Those we call as the functions of the tongue. You know that the first of all, it provides the sensation of taste because of these taste buds. It helps, the tongue helps us, it makes us able to speak or phonation. Second function of the tongue is it makes the human able to speak, or that we call as phonation, with the help of the lips and the palate as well as the teeth. These three parts of the suckle, attached to the suckle, that is tongue, the lips and the teeth, collectively they make us able to speak. And then the tongue helps in the ingestion of the food. It is another function is to bring the food below the teeth for mastication. Since from the start of the lecture I said that food is to be masticated. Masticated means chewed. It is to be crushed. So for this cutting, for this crushing, for this process, what we call as mastication also, the tongue helps the food. And then it also helps to wrap the food to make it a bowl shape so that it can easily be swallowed. After complete mastication, the food is to be swallowed through the esophagus so that it may reach up to the stomach easily. So the tongue helps it in the process of swallowing. And lastly, it when we complete the process of this digestion inside the mouth, inside the buccal cavity, then the tongue also helps us to clean the teeth. So this was the first part which I tried my level best up to my knowledge to make you understand. Next we shall take up the another part, that is the esophagus. Today's lecture I conclude here with the same. I say goodbye to all of you. Stay home, stay safe.